Hi, everybody. This is Miss O, and I'm making you this video to continue talking about decimals on a number line. So let me share my screen. Hope you are doing well. I care about you. And here we go. So you have this video right here, this worksheet. It says, label all the tick marks on the number line. And we use this word tick marks, even if we're saying like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you do this sometimes? Those are also called tick marks, or some people call them hash marks, but I call them tick marks sometimes also. So we're going to label, which means write what it is. So if you draw a picture, you'll label it, right? Here's a picture, and I might label it, and I might say, like arm. This is the arm, right? Or I might say head. What are you doing? I am labeling the picture. Like, what is that? That's the head, the arm. Get it? What would I write here? Right? Leg or foot. Okay? So label, super important. Label all of the tick marks on the number line. Okay? So I'm going to do that. And this is, right, 0.01. That's the first one, tick mark. Oops. And then the next one's going to be 0.02, 0.03. I can't do all of them because this is too small. 0.03, but you could do this, right? And then this one's 0.04, 0.05, right? 0.06, 0.07. You have to do all of them. 0.08, and of course, 0.09, okay? So that's how you label all the tick marks on the number line. Easy, right? Please finish that. And then the second directions that you have is to plot and label, again, label each of the following numbers on the number line. So what numbers do we have here? We have 0.100. Now, anytime the 0 is the last thing after a decimal point, after the point, we don't care about that. So that's super easy. This one is, of course, the same as this one. And so I'm just gonna plot that one, boom, finished. Okay, so that is the same thing. Next one also is pretty easy. Let's check it out. Let's make it yellow. And oops, I messed up. Yeah, this one. So again, I'm gonna get rid of this 0, because when you have a decimal point and you have a 0, you don't need that. So this looks familiar, right? It's this one. So all I have to do is mark it here, 0, 1. Yeah? Okay. Next one, getting a little more difficult, right? The next one, which color should that one be? Let's make it pink. Okay. So here we have 0.38. Okay. So here's my 0.3, but I need 8. So I have to divide this up in 10. It's always 10. So then I have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 9, 10, 9, 10. And then the 8 is this one, 0.38. So I have to label that one, boom. And then down here, real tiny, you have to write 0.038. 0.038 right there. So you have to write it. I can't write it because it's too small for the computer. Okay, so the next one, let's make that one reddish. What is this, brown? Okay, brown. 0.072. You can also say 72 1,000ths. Okay, so there's no zero. I can't get rid of that, but I can go directly to 0.7. And then remember, I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And then this, of course, is 10. And then I check 7, 2 is this one. And you're going to write it underneath here, 0.072, right? And then that's that one. Boom. Which of these numbers, number 3, which of these numbers is the greatest? Of course, it's this red. It's this one is the greatest right here. You could write the answer here. And which is the least? Number 4, which is the least? Of course, it's the one that's over here. And you should write the answer here. How can you tell? By looking at the number line? The answer is, right, the furthest left is the least. Oops. The furthest left is the least. And you should write the furthest right is the greatest. Okay, and there you go. That's how you do this one. Okay, so later you're going to have to do this by yourself. So make sure you understand and ask questions. See you later. Bye. Bye.